What's up, guys? My name is Garrett Jones and I am your expert jump rope coach today. And today we're gonna move to the next thing that I love to do the most, and that is the cross. Ouch! I've been jumping rope for about 3.5 years now, and I remember when I first started, it was so frustrating to learn how to cross consistently and smoothly with the same pace. So today I want to make it easy for you guys so you guys can become a great jump roper way faster than I did with these simple steps. To cross a jump rope, it's actually pretty simple once you break it down to focusing on what the hands are doing. The hands are going to be the most important part to pretty much any jump rope move that you can think of. The first thing is first, you're not going to jump for this one. You're just going to start by bringing the rope over your head and catching it under your feet. We're gonna do that a couple times just so you know how to catch the rope under your toes. And then once you get that down, do about 15 reps. Okay, so as you bring the rope over your head, you're going to cross really low to the ground. One of the biggest mistakes people make is they try to lift their hands up really high to be able to get the rope over their head and then cross up here. But actually, your hands are gonna stay relatively low. You can see as the rope comes over, my hands aren't coming above my elbows, okay? They're just coming from here, and they're doing this kind of sweeping motion, so the rope ends up pointing behind me. So the handles, as you can see, are slightly pointed down and behind me. One of the main things is you want your hands to be outside of your hips. If your hands are inside your hips, you're gonna hit yourself with the rope and you're not gonna be able to jump through it. Once you get that down a few times where you're catching it under your feet with that proper form, you're gonna jump through it. The next thing that you need to be able to do is after you jump through it, you're gonna bring your hands back to an open position, an open jump, okay? So it's like this, jump, and then catch it under your feet with the proper forms. Reset, do it again, jump through, and then catch. Do that 15 times until you got that down packed. Once you got that down, jump through, and then you're gonna jump through again and catch. The other mistake I see is that people lose their rhythm. Keep the rope going at the same exact pace. That's why I love to jump to music, because if you can stay on pace with the music, the rope is always going at the same speed. That means your hands have to be going at the same speed, okay? If you don't change the speed of the rope, it's gonna be much easier for you to jump over and maintain the right rhythm. This is what it's gonna look like once you get the finished product. You can see the rope is always going at the same speed. Thank you for watching this tutorial. This was the cross video. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them below. Like and subscribe if this was helpful for you, and I'll see you on the next video.